better than we were.
You know,
actually, you know what?
You know, I didn't think it was too bad.
No, it was actually called. You're pretty good. Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah.
Okay.
What about weather? Pretty good?
Weather is, okay, good for tomorrow. It may not be the most beautiful day tomorrow, but you better go out there and savor it because it's going to get a lot wetter after that, and then it just stays wet as we go into the weekend. Here's a look at what's happening out there right now. We are dry, and of course, the sun's gone down now. Temperatures are in the upper 40s now. We started off at 41 this morning, made it all the way up to 50 degrees this afternoon, and we did start off a little wet. We had that rain move in overnight last night, and our monthly rain so far, we are in the beginning of the month, we are ahead of schedule, and we are going to keep with that trend as we head towards the end of the week, watching for a heavy rain, moderate to heavy rain, to move into the area. 49 right now, calm and gray, and we're going to see mainly just gray conditions as we head through tonight and most of tomorrow. But you can see a little bit of activity happening just south of Portland, so there will be that potential for some stray light rain here and there as we go through the overnight hours tonight and tomorrow. But a very dry day compared to what we're going to be dealing with starting Thursday. So Wednesday, we're tapping into this moisture. We'll have some spotty light rain at times. Then we get to Thursday and we tap into some much deeper moisture, and then we're going to have storm systems moving in, taking advantage of that. And of course, with this deeper moisture comes warmer air, and that means those snow levels are going to be rising. We did good today, and last night we picked up 4 inches of snow at Mount Hood Meadows and Timberline. We're just not going to be seeing that, unfortunately, out of this next system as we head into the weekend. So a soaker on the way Thursday through the early part of next week. The heaviest rain, the bullseye right over Northern California, so it could be worse for us, but we're still going to get some wet weather out of it. We'll get breezy to even windy conditions, especially for the coast, and it's going to be warm for this time of the year with highs in the mid-50s for many of us. The snow level will rise up between 7,000 and 8,000 feet. There will be the potential that at times we could see it maybe drop a little bit to bring in some snow, but for the most part it's going to be high. Early next week looking a little bit better for us to get some cold air to interact to bring in some snow instead of just plain old rain for the mountains. Right now for coastal areas as we head through Friday, between Thursday and Friday, picking up 2 to 3 inches of rain. Some spots could pick up more, a couple of inches for the valley, and then the mountains can see anywhere from 2 to 4 inches out of it. So tonight, not looking bad at all. We just have cloud cover moving in, a little bit of light rain, perhaps to start off the day tomorrow, and then it's just mainly just dealing with the cloud cover through most of the day tomorrow and tomorrow night. And then we get into early Thursday, and that's when the rain starts to move on in. We're going to see it on and off through the day Thursday. Heaviest stuff looks to arrive as we go into Friday as the second half of that system pulls through, and that's when we can really pick up some of the heavy shower activity. Look at the Cascades. This is Friday afternoon, and again, those snow levels are going to be quite high, and then we're going to have that Saturday into Sunday as well. Coastal areas tomorrow, just spotty rain, temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, and winds will be light. Winds pick up Thursday, Friday, 50 to even 60-mile-an-hour winds late Thursday into Friday morning. I-5 highs in the mid-50s, light rain, just patchy and spotty at times. Central and east, more cloud cover than anything else, just a slight chance for a stray shower. Cascades, Hood River at 50, Government Camp in the low to mid-40s, cloudy skies. Snow level will rise a little bit tomorrow, but we may still get some flurries in there after some nice powder. In fact, some folks enjoying that. A lot of that powder up there today, but unfortunately for the end of the week it's going to be rain. You can see the temperatures here on our 7-day in Portland. We're in the mid-50s for highs, perhaps even into the upper 50s, but next week we will start to see those temperatures back off a bit, and that's when we could maybe tap into some of the colder air to get some snow going for the Cascades. Either way, it's going to be wet.
Guess what? Stan Brock came back from the Super Bowl. He wanted you to take a look. He actually brought an official game ball back.
No way.
Yeah, look at that.
That feels a lot tighter.
Yeah.
I bet they made sure.
They made sure.
Brady wasn't using that ball.
No.
Speaking of